Three men A, B and C are moving along a straight line with constant speed. The diagram is given. These are three men A, B and C, and they are moving in the straight line in the same direction with constant speeds. The speed of A is given as VA equals to 5 meter per second and of C is given as 10 meter per second. Now when B catches C, the velocity of B is not given. When B is catching C, the separation between A and C becomes 3D. The earlier the separation between three of them is D, but when B is catching C, and that time the separation between A and C becomes equal to 3D. And we have to find the speed of B. We can take C as the frame of reference, so we can write that velocity of B with respect to C will be VBC equals to VB minus VC. So it will be equal to VB minus 10 meter per second. Similarly, velocity of A with respect to C will be VAC, VA minus VC. So this will be equal to 5 minus 10, so minus 5 meter per second. Now what this means is that if C looks at A while moving ahead, the A will appear to move backward with a speed of 5 meter per second. That means the separation between A and C will keep on increasing. So as it is given in the question, when B catches C, the separation between A and C becomes 3D. So this means that in the time B covers this much distance, the B covers distance D, A has moved back by a distance D. So now the distance between A and C is D and plus D, which is 3D as given in the question. So we can say that time for B to catch C equals to distance upon velocity. So D is the distance, B has to cover distance D upon VB minus 10 seconds. Now in this much duration, A appeared to have gone back. So we can say in this duration, A covered distance D towards left. So this distance D is equal to velocity, which is 5, into time, which is this. In this duration it is happening, so it will be D of VB minus 10. Now you can solve it and VB will come out to be 15 meter per second. So velocity of B is 15 meter per second, but the important thing to notice in this question is this part, minus 5. Now here we know that A is moving in this direction, but because of the concept of relative motion, because we took C as frame of reference, it appeared that A is moving backward because of this, because of minus 5. And using this concept we solve the question. So if we had made A as the frame of reference, then it would have become plus 5. That means by the time B is catching C, the C has moved ahead by a distance D, and the distance between A and C will become D plus D plus D. So the answer will be same, but the choice of frame of reference has to be, you have to be careful about it. You can take either A or C. If you take C, then this is how it is done. If you take A, then it will become 5 meter per second. So understand this concept very clearly, because there will be many questions on relative motion.